guys, it's India. Welcome back to my channel. And just to start off, I am wearing a shirt. Okay, it's a tube top, so it might look like I'm not wearing one, but I am, just by the way. And this video is going to be a maintenance video for these knotless braids. So if you guys watched my update, you know that I had a lot of like flyaways, a lot of frizz and stuff at the top because I started the braid, well, adding in the braiding hair further down. So this part of my hair, this is all my natural hair, and then the braiding hair starts around here and then goes down. So I experienced a lot of frizz, a lot of flyaways at the top. So I saw this video on Instagram. I think it was either on Protective Styles or Healthy Hair Journey of this girl. I do not know her name, like I don't know what her handle is or anything, but she used this mousse, and this is the Quenching Plus Coconut Curls Frizz Defying Moisture Mousse from OGX. And so I went to Walgreens, I found it, I think it was like $8. So I went ahead and got this because I wanted to try it. I have been using Jane Carter Solutions and I've been using the Motions like foaming mousse, but neither one of them were really like taming it a lot. Like they weren't really making the flyaways go down. And as you guys can see, this looks really, really good. Like this is the best any mousse has ever done while I've been wearing these knotless braids. So I think it looks great. So I highly recommend this product for box braids, twist, or whatever, just to tame the flyaways at the top. And I will show you guys in a little clip how I applied the mousse and everything. And I just applied my scarf. I did it last night. So I applied my scarf and then I went to sleep and then I just took it off this morning. And so this is how it looks immediately when you wake up in the morning. So it looks great. I love it. And I used my Eben edge tamer as well. This is the one in the green jar. There's a purple one as well, but I like this one in the green. And so I just laid my edges with that, and then that's it. So this is super duper easy. I just wanted to show you guys this in case you're looking for a good mousse to help tame flyaways while you're wearing braids or twist. And so that's it, super quick video. I'll show you guys a little clip in a second. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.